Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So today we'll have a breakdown for this trade that we have executed on the gold chart from this level. So before we start the analysis, always the same question, where I can start the analysis. Should I start, for example, from this low, from these highs right here, from this low? You should always understand and you put in mind that there is a process when it comes to locating the fractals. It's not a random process. For example, you take the 1 hour time frame, then you start your analysis, then you go to a lower time frame every time so you can find the fractal or the entry or whatever. It doesn't work in this way. So for those who are using the fractal level indicator, what you do is simply you open any time frame and then you open the fractal level indicator, which will show you a setup in this way. In other terms, when you see this, you will forget about everything else that happened before this white line right here. It's not important. We'll just focus on this range right here. This is where you will find your fractal and this is where you will scale it. So right here on the 2 minutes time frame, let's suppose that the price is still right here. As you can see, we have a valid setup. So the white vertical level is before the green vertical level and the two horizontal lines are on the same direction and on the same level. So in this case, we can find our fractal on this range right here. So this is the low of the base, and from here we should find our fractal. Where we find it exactly? The price is going up right here, so there is a high probability that we'll have a retracement and then the price will go on a continuation movement. This is usually how it works. So where you will locate the fractal in this case, you will check this quarter right here on the upside of the white line and before the green level right here. This is where usually you find the Y model, the continuation model. So right here, this is the copy. Before you start scaling and then you zoom out and you start taking the copy randomly in this way and you expect that it will work, or I don't know, maybe you will take it to another place and you start scaling, just take a little bit of time, put the copy outside of the chart right here, scale it, and now let's try to understand the self-similar details. Right here, as we have said, this is the low of the base. This is the low 0. So the same way on the copy, this is the low 0. As you can see, we have the same pattern. It was developed right here. Then we have an impulse, and then we have an impulse. And now what we are waiting for, this retracement to happen right here. At the end of this retracement, what we usually expect, the continuation on the trend. So after we have decoded the copy in this way, we can now scale it on the chart. We put the highs and the lows together on the same level. Okay, so in this way, we get the high with the high, the low with the low, right here the high with the high. So at this level, what we are expecting the long position. And right here, based on your risk management, you can take the first take profit right here and then use partials by the extension of the Y model. So that's it, the analysis. Thank you so much.